Yes, good morning students. Now see, in the composition part we have seen the comprehension, and now for this first unit test we are going to get one question based on notice writing. Notice writing means what? What do you mean by notice? Means suppose some competition is going to take place or some event is going to take place, there we have to give a notice. All of a sudden we can't say no, tomorrow this is there. So we have to give a proper notice. So when we give a proper notice, what things we should remember in mind is what is the matter, or what is the matter, or we can say event. So whether it is a singing competition or dancing competition or running race, sports are there. So we have to see the matter or the event. What is it about? Notice what about what we are going to send a notice. Whether it is handwriting competition or elocution or storytelling or singing, whatever competition, we have to first write the name of the event. There is a singing competition in our school. Then entry forms. Whenever we see a notice, there entry forms are there. Means in a competition it is not made compulsory, it is optional. Some children like to take part, some don't. And what happened, everyone has a choice. Someone wants to take in storytelling competition, some wants to take in drawing competition. So here it is not compulsory. So entry forms are to be filled. Means those who want only, they fill the entry forms. Then when the entry forms are there we have to write our name, everything, and then what is the participation date. The date is there when the competition is going to take place, that date is there, and the time. We have to give our names. Yes, we have to enroll ourselves. We have to give our name, and particular date is given and time is given. Suppose some competition is there, before 10 o'clock you have to submit the forms. For this you have to write the name, for what you are going to take part, that time and date is given. One date is given and one time is given. Because why it is given? Because the event which we have to take, or the event which is organized, many people take part in that, many participants are there. So for everyone to have convenient time to come, one particular date and time is given. So before that or on that day, suppose one date is given, suppose on Thursday, we say Thursday. So before Thursday or last day is what? Thursday. This is just an example. So before Thursday or on Thursday and one time, suppose 10 o'clock by Thursday 10 o'clock. So at Thursday by 10 o'clock also you can give, but after that no. But before Thursday also you can give, but on Thursday if you are late, by the last day, but that particular time you have to follow. So that is why the date and time is very important when you write a notice. Then fees. Fees means to organize an event, everywhere what happens, we require money. Yes, the forms are there, then prizes. When competition is there, what happens, the winners have to be awarded. Yes, we have to give them a prize. Sometimes it is a cash prize, sometimes it is a certificate, sometimes it is a medal, sometimes it is a cup. So for all these things, the fees are required. So money is required. For the entry fees are taken, and there is one important line over there in any, that the last date. Now after this your date and time is given, but sometimes what happens, some of them get the information date. So for them it is already the last date of enrolling the name is after this also. You have to pay something more amount and enroll your name. So these things are important when you frame a notice. And then group. Now a group means age wise or standard wise. 3rd or 4th standard students. 3rd and 4th standard students will take part in this competition age wise. Why? Because 5-6 years children and 11-12 years of children, there is a vast difference in their age. So according to the age group and according to the standard, according to the level, the competition is held and the participants are then the participants can take place. Suppose a 5-year-old girl is taking part in a commerce, suppose a drawing competition, and a 13-year girl is also taking part. So naturally who will do nice? The girl which is big. It is not exactly like that. Small children can also do, but if it is the age, same group age is there, then what will happen? Same age group, it is easy to find out the winner. It is easy to see which is the best. So that is why age wise or standard wise. In standard what happens, mostly the children are of the same age. So same age groups are taken when we organize any event or any competition. So in notice writing, which things are important? Matter and event, entry forms, participation date, time, fees, last day of enrolling, and group, age wise and standard. So these things are very important when you make a notice, when you are making a notice. Understood? So in notice writing, suppose you get, suppose I tell you, come on, make a notice of handwriting competition. How you will write? A handwriting competition has been organized in school for class, say now class 4 and class 5. Standard 4 and 5 have, there is a handwriting competition for the students of standard 4 and 5. When is it? Some date you have to give. It is on, say today is what day? Today is 11th. It is on 17th of August. The competition is on 17th of August in school. Now here important thing I forgot to tell you, just now I remembered venue, means where it is, which place. Venue is also one important thing when you make a notice. Venue means place, where it is going to take place. Now handwriting competition for standard 4 and standard 5 has been organized or been arranged in school, in our school, St. Francis Xavier School, on 17th of August at 11 a.m. Those who want to participate in the competition can give their names to the class teacher. You have to elaborate it a little bit. By now, today is by 13th. 17th is the competition. By 13th, you have to enroll your names till on 13th. By 10 o'clock, you have to give your names to the class teacher. So when you make a notice, when you have to write a notice, these points you have to remember very clearly. Understood? And the notice you can, not to write very small, lengthy notice we don't want. Small notice, but everything should be there. Now here, venue means where, which place the event or the competition is going to take place. That is there. Group, age wise or standard wise, by same age group children, it is better for them, it is good for any competition. Fees and last date of enrolling, etc. These are the important things which you should remember when you are writing down a notice. Is it clear, students, to you? Okay. Now based on this, any notice will come simple. Don't worry, don't take any tension. It will be a simple notice. You can always try. Okay. In your book, on page number, see here, page number 113. See here, page number 113. Can you see here? Notice writing is there. So many things, so many are there for you for practice. See here, first one I'll read for you. You are, so now you see, you are Kabir Sharma, the secretary, Drama Club of New Model School, Ghaziabad. Draft a notice informing the students about the interstate drama competition to be held at Gandhi Hall on 27th May. So now here this is the matter. Okay. How it is now, how it is written here, New Model School, Ghaziabad, notice, interstate drama competition. See how it is written? Same way you have to frame a notice. See here, there are many, 1, 2, 3, 4 notices are there. See here, page number 113, 114 or 15 also it is there, and some exercises for practices also there. So you can practice only 1 or 2 notice. Okay, it is better for you. I hope you have understood this. If you have any difficulty, you can come to me and ask me. Is it clear, children? Okay, bye.